Learn how to expertly set up Python projects tailored for Claude-based GenAI applications. Master the skills of environment structuring, dependency management, and best practices implementation.
Welcome to our deep dive into setting up Python projects for GenAI applications, specifically those based on Claude. Did you know that poor project setup can derail even the most promising AI applications? Today, we'll explore how a well-structured Python environment is the backbone of scalable and efficient GenAI applications. Understanding this process will save you time, reduce errors, and enhance your application's performance. Claude-based GenAI represents the forefront of generative artificial intelligence, offering unparalleled capabilities in language processing and understanding. But what sets Claude apart? It combines robust natural language understanding with generative capabilities to create applications that can converse, generate creative content, and more. Leveraging Claude in your projects means harnessing a tool that's been fine-tuned for nuanced understanding and contextual awareness, setting your AI applications up for success in diverse fields from customer support to creative writing.
Selecting the correct Python version is critical when setting up your GenAI projects. Python 3.8 and 3.9 are commonly recommended for their balance of features, stability, and support. Python 3.8 offers the stability and compatibility that many projects need, while 3.9 introduces enhancements that can optimize performance and security. Ensure the version you choose supports the libraries you'll be using, and keep an eye on end-of-life dates to avoid support gaps. This decision lays the foundation for your project's future scalability and security. Virtual environments are crucial for isolating dependencies and ensuring that your Python projects run in a controlled setting. Start by creating a virtual environment using Python's built-in venv module. This simple command ensures that your project's dependencies won't conflict with other projects on your machine. Activate your environment with ease, and switch between multiple projects without hassle. Following best practices, such as keeping your environments organized and named intuitively, will go a long way in maintaining a clean development space. Dependencies can make or break your GenAI projects. Using a requirements.txt file is a best practice for managing these dependencies. This file lists all the packages your project needs, ensuring anyone working on it can easily replicate the environment. Use pip to install dependencies efficiently and keep your file up to date as your project evolves. In case of conflicts, tools like pipedeptree can help resolve them by showing the dependency tree. A well-maintained requirements.txt is key to hassle-free project collaboration and deployment. A well-organized project structure is the backbone of any successful application, especially in GenAI. Start by establishing a clear hierarchy for your files and directories, ensuring that code, data, and documentation are easy to find. Incorporate configuration files for settings and secrets management, keeping sensitive information secure. Utilize project templates and organizational tools like Cookie Cutter to streamline your setup process. A thoughtfully structured project not only enhances maintainability but also facilitates team collaboration and future scaling. Version control is non-negotiable in modern software development. Git provides a robust framework for tracking changes, collaborating with team members, and managing multiple versions of your code. Start with basic commands like git init, git commit, and git push. Use GitHub to collaborate with others and host your repository. Develop a branching strategy to manage features and releases, and always write clear, descriptive commit messages. By mastering version control, you'll ensure your GenAI projects are well documented and adaptable to changes.
Integrating the Claude API into your Python code opens a new world of generative AI possibilities. Begin by setting up your API keys securely and ensuring your environment is configured for authentication. Make your first API call using Python libraries like requests or http.client. Learn how to handle responses, including parsing data and managing errors effectively. By integrating the Claude API, you can leverage its powerful language capabilities to enhance your applications with features like conversational agents and content generation.
Testing and debugging are critical components of successful GenAI application development. Implement unit tests using frameworks like PyTest to ensure each function performs as expected. When issues arise, use Python's built-in debugging tools and logging capabilities to trace problems and understand application flow. Embrace automated testing and continuous integration/continuous deployment (C/CD) pipelines to streamline your development process and catch issues early. By prioritizing testing and debugging, you'll ensure your applications are robust, reliable, and ready for real-world use. Optimizing your Python code is essential for ensuring that your GenAI applications run smoothly and efficiently. Identify performance bottlenecks using profiling tools like cProfile and PySpy. Apply optimization techniques, such as refactoring loops and leveraging built-in functions for speed improvements. Consider using concurrency, with libraries like threading and asyncio, to handle multiple tasks simultaneously. By implementing these strategies, you can enhance your application's performance, making it more scalable and responsive. Security is paramount when developing GenAI applications. Common threats include data leaks, injection attacks, and unauthorized access. Secure your code by following best practices, such as input validation and using environment variables for sensitive data. Implement robust authentication and authorization mechanisms to protect user data. Stay informed about the latest security patches and updates for your dependencies. By prioritizing security, you can build trustworthy applications that safeguard both your data and your users.
Deploying your GenAI application to the cloud offers scalability, flexibility, and cost efficiency. Choose a cloud platform like AWS, Google Cloud, or Azure based on your project needs. Set up a continuous deployment pipeline to automate deployments and ensure quick updates. Cloud environments facilitate easy scaling, allowing your application to handle increased demand seamlessly. Monitor your application's performance and make adjustments as needed to maintain optimal operation. By deploying to the cloud, you're setting up your GenAI project for success in a dynamic, digital landscape. Congratulations on completing our guide to setting up Python projects for Claude-based GenAI applications. We've covered everything from choosing the right Python version to deploying your application in the cloud. Each step is crucial for creating scalable, efficient, and secure GenAI applications. Remember, the learning doesn't stop here. Continue exploring, experimenting, and engaging with the community to hone your skills. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe and leave a comment below on what you'd like to see next. Your feedback helps us create content that empowers your AI journey.